Hello foodie fam, welcome back. Excited to come your way again. If you're new, welcome to our foodie world where we bring you the simplest homemade recipe. Hit the red button to subscribe and join our family. We would love to have you here. Today's recipe is how to make a pizza dough at home. Stay tuned and let's get right into it. As always, all ingredients used in this recipe will be linked down below in the description box with the right measurement, so please do check it out. Today's ingredients are 2 cups of plain flour, 3/4 cup of lukewarm water, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of instant yeast, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. So we start off by adding our yeast to our water. Mind you, the water should be lukewarm. And then we'll be adding our sugar to help At this point, I like to sprinkle some flour on top of my board and then add my dough. As you can tell, the dough is very sticky now, so I'll just go ahead and knead till it's less sticky. So as you can tell, I keep kneading it round. I keep going round and then kneading towards the middle so that our dough comes out nice and smooth and even. Look at how pretty our dough is looking. So we'll be transferring our dough into a bowl, and then before we put it in, we'll be coating the bowl with extra virgin olive oil to prevent the dough from sticking.